Okay, so we are moving out of this spot today, but we wanted to show you the apartment and what $40 a night gets you?
Yeah.
Some notes about this place is that it's within the city, so it's really local, everything around here, so you get great prices for good food. One of the negative sides though, if you're trying to get somewhere, you really will have to plan on Uber, so count that into your budget.
Unless you love 3-mile walks to the beach.
Yeah, it's about a 2 to 3 mile walk to the beach. It's not bad, it's a really pretty walk. But just if you want to go anywhere else really though and not walk too much, plan on Ubering and factor them into the cost. Is maybe saving $20 a day worth it or not if you know you're gonna have to Uber places.
I'm glad we stayed here.
Yeah, it's a really nice place, it's cute, and the owner, Julio, is here at the apartments as well, so we always could ask him for anything. But let's show you the place.
The first thing I noticed when we got here is there's a front door that gets you into the building and then a second door that gets you into your apartment. So there's 2 doors that lock, which is comforting when you're out of the country, especially with the little one. So when you first walk in, there's this beautiful courtyard, flowers, plants. I say beautiful because I love white walls with color, so the contrast was stunning. Outdoor shower, so you can rinse off your feet if you just got back from the beach before walking into your apartment. And there's a huge climb upstairs that leads you to the top deck, roof deck, I guess, where there's like a laundry, a line to hang your clothes, or just chill out and watch the sunset. As soon as you walk in, there is a shower, which is brilliant because most of the people around here come in from the beach. So you can just step in right away, rinse off before you even enter the apartment. Good call. This is a toilet room. There's no sink, nothing else, just a toilet. A nice little sink. We didn't use it. We use this as more storage or just a place to put our toiletries for the day.
So now come on over this way. This is the living space / kitchen, dining, bedrooms kind of in the back a little bit more. But the nice thing about this unit or this little apartment is that it's very traditional and you feel very much like you're in Mexico. You're not in a resort, you're not like in something that's too hoity-toity. You feel the vibe is very traditional here. Nice kitchen, microwave, the basic sink, gas stove, which we love gas stoves, so that's really cool. And just kind of your basic stuff. Nice little fridge to put groceries in, and it's cool. Little dining table. We use this thing a ton to eat, to work. And speaking of work, the Wi-Fi here is decent when it's working. So I'm sure it doesn't normally happen. Julio is really apologetic about it. It stopped working like the last 2 days of our stay. But when it was working, we were getting about 12 to 15 megabytes of download speed and about 6 megabytes of upload speed. So if you need to work, it's a decent place to do it, but not incredibly fast Wi-Fi.
Welcome to the bedroom. So Julio was super kind and he made the couch into a little mini bed for Shanti. So if you were to rent this on your own, this would just be a little futon styled couch. And then we've got 2 beds, which, fun fact, sneaky hack, we pushed them together and we just made one big bed for us, which was perfect. And then it comes with a little TV, which we never used, but if we wanted to, it would have been awesome. Although the temperature here is perfect, it's anywhere between 75 and 82 all of the time, they do have an air conditioning unit, which was actually refreshing after a long day in the sun, just to lower the temperature a little bit when you're trying to cool down. So otherwise, super comfortable, really cute. I loved it.